It's nice working with something and see somebody else's blood for once. Welcome to the Hillbilly RV channel. Today we're working on a Splendide washer dryer combo. It is a 2100 XC. Customer complaint is the drum will fill with water, but it will never start swishing. And so the first thing we really need to do is verify the customer complaint. I've already got my water hose hooked up to the back of it on the cold side. She's plugged in. Let's start filling it, and then we'll see if it really does not want to swishy. So we're gonna put it on three. We're gonna put it on cold. I think that's the one I have hooked up. Yeah, I have cold hooked up. Well, we're about to dry time right now. And all we gotta do is push the start and it'll start filling. I want to show you something real quick. Because I think it's funny. Not my blood. I'm working on it, but it ain't my blood. So the customer brought me this, so I'd say it's either the customers or whoever helped him get it out of the RV. It's nice working with something and see somebody else's blood for once. All right, let's turn it on. Everything looks good. Let's push start. And let's see what happens. One thing about these Splendide washer dryers, they do nothing in a hurry. I mean nothing. So let me let this fill with water. Hopefully it won't take too long. And after it does that, I'll be back. It's still thinking. Yeah, I don't know. I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, I'll give it plenty of time. It's not doing anything. I'm gonna pull the top off so I can look up there at the valves, make sure something's not unhooked, because there's more blood on the back of this thing. So they've already been into this. Somebody has. And we could find out who. We could do a DNA test, probably. To get that top off, there's a screw here, screw over there, and then you just take and, sorry about shaking y'all up, just take and pop it like that. Like that. And the top comes off like that. Oh. Everything's plugged in, would appear. We're getting no fault lights on the front, so that's strange. It's like it doesn't know that it's not getting water. I just heard some stuff click up here. You just have so many things in the system. You've got a water pressure sensor that just makes sure that you have sufficient water pressure. You've got the main control board. You've got valves. I guess I could hook up to the hot side. Just clicks every now and then. Do you think we'd get some fault lights here? Let me, I'm hooked up to the cold side right now. Let me hook up to the hot side, see if it makes a difference. Okay, I'm hooked up to the hot side. Let's switch over to hot. I mean, like I say, these things are not fast, but they're faster than that. Typically within 30 seconds or so, it should be running water in. I just don't understand why we don't have any fault lights. So, that's weird. Do we have a bad control board? I'll get my meter out. Splendide for a while had a real issue with their power cord. See, it clicks and stuff every now and then. It just ain't doing nothing. They had a real problem with their power cords. I mean, I think we're getting power, because when you had trouble with the power cord, I think you didn't have any lights or anything. Let me get my meter, check the power coming in, just make sure we've got good AC power coming in. And I'll probably give Splendide a call, because I think it's weird that we're not getting any fault codes. Oh, I told you they took a while. Holy crap. So there's something wrong with their cold water valve. The hot decided it was going to start working. Man, that took a long time. That's ridiculous. I hate working on these things just because they're so slow. Everything you do takes a while. I guess it's running water in it. It's making noise. I don't hear any water though. Probably gonna have to call Splendide. It's not putting water in it. There's a fan up there running, and that's all I think we're hearing is that fan. Weird. Still want to probably double check, make sure we got good power coming in, and then probably call Splendide. I don't remember whether I had the camera on when I hooked the water up to the hot side. It did. I think I did. It tried to fill, and then we had all the red lights flashing, all the green lights flashing. Let's see, all the green lights. These two rows are green, and the red light flashing rapidly. Got a hold of Splendide. They said it's a bad control board. It costs $350 plus shipping. So I got to call this guy, see how much money he wants to put in this thing. So yeah, I don't know. He acted like he didn't want to put much money in it. So I don't know. He said he hadn't used it very many times, and I don't know. So that may very well be it on this one. Hopefully I got all that stuff. I don't know whether I did or not. But anywho, y'all have a great day. We'll catch you next time. Called a customer. Customer said nope. He does not want to work on that washing machine. So $350 for the board, plus shipping, plus labor, plus tax. He's well over $600, and he said nope. So he's going to come and get it. The great thing about the Splendide washer dryers, they're kind of self-diagnosing, and Splendide is one of those companies that will work with you. If you call their number, technical assistance number, and act like you got some sense, they will try their best to help you diagnose your machine over the phone. And you know, it's which lights are blinking, how fast they're blinking, whatever. When I told them what was blinking on that one, it's like bad control board, bad module. And so it is what it is. We don't always get to fix them. Sometimes people choose not to. That's their choice. Y'all use your choice right now. Get down in that comment section. Leave me a comment, a criticism, concern. I am gonna go up here and work on the deck. Hopefully this cloud cover will continue. Y'all have a great day. We'll catch you next time.